Good morning, everyone. So here's another one. It's a Mitsubishi. It's an Outlander PHEV. And can you guess what the problem is? So as I said to you in the opening, the problem with this is, I've never said, I said guess. There is no electric heating. No electric heating. No heating in the cab. But what I'm telling you is maybe not true, because there's a little. Because we've had some of them, there's nothing. So have a look at that. We've got 20 out of that one. 21 out of that one. Right enough, I think there's more heat coming out of that screen, right enough. So there's a little coming from some places. So what we do here, we do a full scan. So let's see what's in it first of all. So this is good. Green. There's only one in this module here. Lin. Rain sensor. So that's nothing to do with us. So what then we dive into, we go into the list and we look at standard electric heater, meter, steering angle sensor. There's no PHEV, power gate. No. Can I find it this time? Wait to have a look. So the module we go into is air conditioning. And we read the stream, and this can tell us our electric side, if it's working, about the temperature it's putting out. So let's have a look through here. So ELC heater max. No, we didn't want max. ELC water level. I've never seen that before. ELC, no. It's outlet sensor and power. That's what we want. We can see, do that one and that one. Look at the test results. Look at the water pump. We'll look at that one too. I think that's what we need. So let's have a look at this. So it says we've only got 56 degrees coming out the inlet sensor, but that can cut off if it's not getting any movement. We've got 0 watts coming out the water heater at the moment, but see, this can be caused by a blockage. It's off. Test results are normal. The water pump signal is 70%. So that means the water pump is running, but doesn't actually mean to say it's pushing any water. I've seen that before. So we went into actuation test under AC system. So we're going to try this one, electric water heater PTC 1 kilowatt. So let's hit that, and we'll go perform. Actuated. Now we've not got any feedback here, so we don't know if it's working. Well, we could hit monitor. So we need to look at. We'll look at a lot of these. Probably it's timed out by the time we get there. Actuated. Oh, it's jumped up. No, that's maximum temperature. That's a bit useless. No, still not working. Let's see. Exit. Let's jump under the bonnet and check the pipes. So we're just checking the pipes underneath the bonnet, and we've got the one on the right, which is inlet. Oh, you can see that's at 38. What's that there yet, Roddy? Look like 30. 30. So it's hard to get that thing, eh? No. Got it 40. Oh, that's right. That's right. We have to be in the rubber bit, eh? 48. 48. Right, 30. So there's obviously a block in the matrix. If we're not getting any flow. No. So that'll do my mind. So we're at these 2 pipes down the back there. The one on the right with the bleed screw is intake. The one in the left is outtake. So we're going to go in there and get the filter off it. So that's the start of our 8-hour flushing process. So I'm going to show you what we've done. Fed our pump going into the intake. See the silver pipe? Come on, focus, man. And then the return is the pipe where the pipes came off. So that's on the right hand side. So it's just the one pipe we're removing for the one with the bleed screw. Let me see for the other side. So you can see my pipe going in. So it's going into the intake, into the matrix, and then it returns back the yellow hose. So that's the intake pipe. So what that does, we're going into the matrix down through the pump, into the electric heater, back through the 4-way valve, which you can see the little green connectors down there, then back up. So that's doing absolutely everything in a winner. So we've modified our setup actually. So we see we've still got the feed to the central heating pump into the intake in the matrix, then our yellow hose is our return. So you can see it's got the silic acid in it after we'd flushed it, and that's the colour it goes. But this time we've got a little 12-volt electric pump on the bottom here. Didn't want to touch it. And that primes up the system lovely, because trying to prime up that pump when you've got another pump is hard. So we use this little 12-volt pump to prime it up, and once it's running, you switch off that electric pump and the thing just keeps going. Another thing about this little electric pump, there's a little filter on the bottom, so that catches all the big stuff. So we started it at 10 o'clock, so this is running for 8 hours, and it'll be 6 o'clock tonight, and then we'll put it back together tomorrow. But I should actually show you my first flush. There was lots of silvery stuff came out of it, and even there's a little filter in there. There was that, I don't know, whatever it is, that silvery stuff that comes out of it. So it is gunged up big time. So we'll just keep it running. So this is a new day, everything back together. Trying to connect the scan wheel here. So air conditioning, I think it was going to. The other one had one, remember it had a separate module. The newer ones have a separate module for electric heater. So look at stream. Come down to, we'll take sensor level, outlet, power. I think that's all we need at the moment. So let's start the car. It says it's 7 degrees, 0 watts. Let's see what it is. Came up ready. So there we go. I pull in 2,200 watts, 2,120 watts, 7 degrees. So let's watch this rise. Now the other thing, because this is, I think it's 2080 or above, it has a dedicated EV button, but I don't think the older ones have that. Maybe wrong. I'll ask the customer. I certainly cannot see a dedicated EV button. So we'll get up to 4,000 watts. That's big time. Graph that there. Put that back off. Now go and get my gun. Oh, we're getting up to 8 degrees now. Let's pull some amount of power. That's big time. So there we go. After a minute or so, we're getting to 20 degrees. So let's check what's coming out the vents. Well, not much yet. 10, 12 degrees. 13. So another minute or so has passed. The electric heater's saying 32 degrees. 34 degrees. Still putting it. Oh, it says it's right, didn't you? I said my glasses, 4,440 watts. So let's check, see what's coming out of this thing now. Alright, 19, 22. Let's give it another. So that's after another couple of minutes. You can see that the outlet, so that's what's coming up to the matrix. The matrix is 55 degrees. And going back into the electric heater from the matrix is 52 degrees. Still pulling a lot of watts, but it's slowly reducing. I can feel it toasty in here now. So, no utterly toasty, but getting there. There we go. 36 degrees. So, I think yesterday, you remember, we were only getting to 20 degrees. So we're heading in the right direction. So that's the car just cut out. You can see engine coolant temperatures at 72 degrees. Our electric heater's still going. Won't just cut back in again. But We're getting there. 47. So we should get up to, when we get up to temperature, we should be up to, what was it again? 60 degrees, 58 degrees, something like that. So just 10 degrees to go. But at least when the car cuts out, it just goes to hybrid mode only. The electric heater's still going, so that's good. So there we go, we've cut out again. We're out on the dashboard there. The engine's not going. Wonder if there's a way you could keep this in EV mode only. There we go, 50 degrees. I'll ask this customer.